With the golden key in hand, Tomi, Mia, and Luca walked down a softly lit hallway until they reached a large carved door.
It seems like things are getting harder. This door looks imposing. Are you ready for what might be behind it?
I'm not sure what we're going to find, but I trust that together we can solve whatever comes our way. We've overcome tougher things.
When they opened the door, they entered a strange room filled with clocks of different sizes. All of them showed different times, creating a constant ticking noise. In the center, a giant hourglass began to empty slowly. Suddenly, a deep voice resonated in the room. Time is not measured in hours but in important moments. Find the moment you seek before time runs out.
Important moments? But all these clocks seem completely random. How are we going to find a specific moment if we don't know which one it is?
Maybe it's not about an exact hour but something we've experienced together. We've learned that what's true isn't always visible, remember? Look at this one. It seems to mark the day we met. It's an important moment for us. Exactly. What matters is not the hours that passed but the moments we share and how they made us stronger.
With renewed confidence, the three friends crossed the door, ready to face whatever the Enchanted Workshop had in store for them.
We did it. I knew that if we stay true to what we've lived, we would succeed.
Every challenge seems to teach us something new. We're learning more about ourselves and what truly matters. We still have this key. I feel like it will be important in the next challenge.
With renewed confidence, the three friends crossed the door, ready to face whatever the Enchanted Workshop had in store for them. Suddenly, a deep voice resonated in the room. Time is not measured in hours but in important moments. Find the moment you seek before time runs out.